Especially for manifestation, having a high vibration is really important because you are more likely to attract the things that you desire. You say goodbye and I say hello. Hello everyone, welcome to the Judy Diaries podcast. My name is Judy Arena, and sometimes I can wake up and I just feel like, I just don't feel that great, or throughout the day, if something kind of sets me off my balance, then I can come back to this question. And so I'm going to share that question with you in hopes that you can use this today, tomorrow, whenever you need it. And that's literally just asking yourself, what can I do, something simple that will just raise my vibration? What can I do that will help keep my vibration high? So for me today, I asked myself this question, and what came up for me was that I wanted to dance. So instead of my regular workout routine, I just threw on some music, I started dancing. It can be just something really, really small and simple that will bring you a little bit of joy, and you can carry that joy forward throughout the rest of the day. So let's really quick talk about vibration. What is vibration? We are all made up of vibration. We all put off a certain frequency of vibration. So and not just humans, but this is everything, every object around us. It vibrates at a certain frequency. Emotions are a certain frequency. So when we experience different emotions, we kind of have different wavelengths. We say we're on the same wavelength, and it's because we literally are on the same frequency. We can feel each other, we resonate. Music has frequencies and vibrations, obviously, we can see that. But we as humans, we also are made up of vibrations. So if we have high vibrations, it just means that we feel good, we feel like love, we feel joy, we feel grateful. Those are high vibrations. Lower vibrations are things like shame and fear and guilt. So that's when you start to feel just really low, and it feels heavy. So you can kind of feel the different energies of the vibrations. And especially for manifestation, having a high vibration is really important because you are more likely to attract the things that you desire. You want to become that vibration. You want to be an energetic match and align yourself with the things that you want. So having a really high vibration most of the time is really powerful. It's really important. And granted, you're going to have days, you're going to have moments where you're not high vibration, and that's okay. That's part of being a human, and it's part of experiencing the whole spectrum of emotions and all those things. But you want your primary vibration to be high because it feels good and it attracts more things that are high vibe. So people, experiences, situations, opportunities, we become an energetic match to other high vibe things. And that's what we want in life, right? We don't want lower or negative energy. We just don't want that. So you have to first start that just within yourself, within your practices. What makes you feel high vibe? So if all you had to do today was just to help raise your vibration, help keep it high, what could you do today? So that's all I want you to ask yourself. Maybe journal about it, and maybe write up a list of things that you can always come to when you feel like you're feeling down, or when you feel like you just need a little lift. And sometimes it is just all based off of our habits. And I got into a habit of doing the same workout routine, and it was fun at first, but then now I'm starting to feel like it's just kind of blah, boring, and I need it to flow differently every single day. I need to really tune in to my body and see what I need. And because I got into a mundane, boring routine, I feel like it just started to not feel exciting and not feel good for me. So today I'm really happy that I switched it up, and I switched it to something that was really energetic. That's exactly what I needed. So I feel more vibrant today. I feel ready for action. I just feel maybe yesterday I was feeling kind of that blah feeling. And so if you start to feel yourself get into that kind of mode, you just want to Switch it up, ask yourself what you need, ask your body, and it will come to you. Just listen to it. So that's all I had for you today. Hopefully this helped you out. If it did, please share this with your friends. Share it to your Instagram story or Facebook story, whatever it is. Tag me in it. That's it for me today. Make sure to keep your vibrations really, really high today. That's all you have to do. Doesn't matter what other responsibilities and tasks and things that you have to do, things like that. All you have to make sure of is what can you do to raise your vibration just a little bit higher than it is right now. So that's all I have for you. I hope you guys have a great day, amazing week, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.